Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you an app review for SoloLearn. So I've made a few apps, some Android apps and some Fitbit apps. And it's SoloLearn who helped me to learn and more. So I have an account on SoloLearn, but today I'm just going to do a review for SoloLearn and I'm going to create a new account. So, I don't have another Gmail, so I'm just going to search 10 minutes mail and use it. So now I got the 10 minutes mail and I'm just gonna copy it and I'm just gonna press create new account. Then I'm going to paste the email, the 10-minute email. And then my name would just be the amazing programmer. And the password would be just some random password. So now I'm just gonna create the account and then waiting for it to load. So now it says welcome the amazing programmer. And then it lets you select a course. So for beginners, I recommend you to learn Python. But if you want to make an app, you should learn JavaScript, CSS, and HTML. So they are all web. So I'm just going to hit responsive web design. And then responsive web design is a great choice. And then it lets you continue and asks you how much coding experience do you have. So I know a lot about coding. And I think it's just my hobby. Serious. My age. Well, I would say more than 45. And then it's just now loading. So it here has a prediction. When will you finish the course and when will you finish learning it? So if you practice 5 lessons a day, it's maybe 10 minutes a day, because one lesson is 2 or 1 minute. And if you do that, you will finish by 28th of April. So today it's 24th, so you will finish in 4 days. And I finished it and I think it's really good and I really learned new things from there. So now I finished setting up and it asks you, do you want the pro version? So the pro version is not much of a difference, but you can access no ads and access more the practices, code coaches and more. And then you can you can unlock all lessons. So you can try 14 days for free, but I already tried it, so I can't get one more. And so now I'm in the learning page and you can see there's responsive web design course, and there's a little note here. If you're not familiar with basic HTML, CSS syntax, we suggest you to complete our HTML and CSS courses first before starting this one. So there are a lot of courses, and then you can learn coding in a mobile phone. So I think it's the best coding app in maybe the App Store. So you can see there are comments. If you're struggling, they will give you some motivations or some advice. So you can see some comments, and then then when you press continue, then you have some like quizzes and you can unlock it, and then you can earn XPs, like kind of some coins kind of thing. And if you complete a lesson or some challenges, or if you earn a badge, you get coins like XPs. So now I don't have any XPs because it's like a new account and I haven't done anything yet. So you can see sometimes it pops up this one and it tells you to download the pro version. Then now I'm just gonna drag and drop. You can see some options here, and then HTML head, and also then it's the closing tag for head, and then it's paragraph, and last but not least, it's body. Because if you have an opening tag for body, you must have a closing tag for body. So now I'm just gonna check it. Oh, I love hearing this. That means I'm right. But there's a sound effect for wrong. So the sound effects for wrong, I'm just gonna type random ones. And then you get comments, and then if you have some trouble, you can look at some comments and it shows you the answer, but not just the answer, it gives you a helpful explanation for it. So now I'm just gonna go to the next lesson and continue. So which of the following best describes the term responsive web design? So it's adapting to different screen sizes. So like if you have a laptop, it's like it's the width is longer, but the height is maybe shorter. But if you're on the phone, the width is shorter and the height is longer. Yeah, so that's the different screen sizes. So now you can see I finished like a lesson, see? And then, but these are locked. And then you can see there's bit-sized lessons. You can see getting started working with HTML, CSS, and making it responsive, and adding JavaScript and jQuery. So, here you can press on different things, and I think it's really good. And then once you've finished it, you will get a certificate. So later in my account, because I finished some courses, I'm going to show you my certificate. So now I'm just gonna look at the messages I have and activity. So you can see I have unlocked some badges. So engaged in, I finished a lesson, as you can see. And then I checked the comments, and there's some more, a lot of badges, like getting 5 upvotes on your question and a lot more. And it's like very detailed. So, but messages, you need to activate your account to enable Messenger. If you want to look at Messenger, make sure you watch to the end, because I'm going to log into my other account and show you the Messenger. So now I'm just gonna hit, you can see there's glossary that shows you everything you will learn here. And then you can reset your progress, and then you can make available offline. So like if you don't have any mobile data, or you're on low mobile data, you can just press this button and it will like save this course in your phone, and you can learn it whenever you are, even in the lift. So you can see, you can have a preview of your certificate, and there are many courses. So now I'm just gonna discover new courses, and then you can see if you want to become a data scientist, you can learn Python, data science, Python core, SQL, and a lot more. There are a lot of courses here for you to learn, like Angular, React, JavaScript, and a lot more of programming languages. So you can see um, now the next section is the community section, where you can have code coaches like these. So basically, they give you a problem, and then you go to the code, like you can select your language, and then you can just type in your type in this task, and then if you get it right, you will earn 10 XPs. But there are harder ones where you can learn more, and you can earn 100 XPs for that. And you can see, you can filter and like these. So yeah, it's very good. And then some more tutorials like Git, algorithms or Kotlin, and a lot more. So we'll just look at Git. So before, there used to be like a lesson factory or some kind of question factory. You can like give a question or a lesson, and then SoloLearn will approve it. And then if you get approved, your lesson will get on the on this learn page. And then there are a lot more you can see, and then you can like start a code challenge. And yeah, and also in the learn section, for example, in HTML, if you like kind of know HTML, you can take a shortcut. So you can see this blue button here, take a shortcut, and I'm just gonna hit on it. And then this one is obviously no, right? And then I'm just gonna finish this shortcut. Oh, so now you can see I got this wrong, and I got some attempts left. And if I reach attempts left is 0, I didn't pass this test, and I can't take the shortcut. So I'm just gonna hit continue. anyways, I still have like an attempt. So anyway, I still successfully completed the test. So now I'll continue. See, now I unlocked the one on tops, and then now I'm just gonna look at the code challenge, and you can challenge someone. Like you can see, SoloLearn challenged me, so I'm just gonna accept it. So if I beat him, I'll also get some kind of like those XPs and some coins, yeah. So I'm just gonna finish the challenge, and the challenge usually has 5 questions. So you can see there's a score on top, and I'm leading 3-1, and I'm free. Oh, so I got this wrong because I really don't know this. And I also got this wrong. But you can see there's now some ads here. And I think I won the challenge, so I got some XPs. And the pro version, you can block this ad. So now I got 42 XPs, you can see. And that's a lot for a challenge. And yeah, I won. So you can challenge anyone, you can challenge these peoples or like these. So SoloLearn is a very big community, and you can see there's some Ask Me Anything series. And now to the next section. There's code section, where you can look at other people's codes and study it and learn from it. So you can see the first code is made from Sophie, and yeah, there's HTML, CSS, and JS. That's JavaScript. And you can choose to upvote it, but I need to activate my account to upvote. And then you can check who upvoted it and more. And you can check at the comments, and you can also comment it, and then you can like people's comments or maybe reply to it, or maybe add a comment. But now my account is not activated, so I can't comment or like or upvote or anything else. But I'm going to show you my in my current account where everything's like activated. So yeah, and you can click on people's profile, and you can also follow them, and you can look at their followers by pressing on their follower, and you can look at who followed them, and also you can and then now we're gonna look at the output. So many codes are actually pretty good. So this is an alert saying that wait 10 seconds to load, and thanks for watching. And it tells you to follow you, upvote, and share this code. So if I press on this toggle switch, it switched to night, and on the toggle switch, it also switched to night. And I press on it again, and I press on it again. So this is made out of CSS. There's no JS required. And also, yeah, you can look at who made it. It's like Sophie, and then when I press in her profile, maybe I can challenge him, or share, or report him, or block him, or look at her leaderboard, and I can also follow him again. So you can look at a person's code bits, solutions, posts, and you can post posts, and also you can ask questions and answer someone's questions and comment on people's codes, and you can make lesson, but the lesson factory is closed, as I said before. So you can look at his highlights, like she's a student at Tumo, and she learns programming at SoloLearn maybe, and he has 12 certificates and 93 projects, and he has 40,000 40,922 XPs, and that is a lot of XPs. And if you want to look at the leaderboard, so you can look at his place in the leaderboard and see here. And then you can look at the leaderboard today or this week and this month, and also all times. Oh my god, that's a lot of XPs. So we're gonna press in it, and we can also follow them. So you can see this guy has that much XP, and he's currently at level 20. How did he get that much XP? By doing a lot of challenges. See, the past 1 hour he's done a challenge and won some of it, and 15 challenges, 20 challenges, 20 challenges. Oh, go away, you stupid ad. And 20 challenges and some more. Oh my god, that's a lot. But challenges are fun, and you get that joy when you win. So then I'm going to show you other codes, and you can filter like hot today or trending or my network or most popular or most recent. And if you're learning not only web, but most of the codes here are web, but you can filter it. Like maybe if you're learning Python, you can filter it, and all the Python codes are here. And you can also filter maybe you're learning PHP, it's also a good language, and you can select all. And then the next, also forgot to show you something. You can search codes, like maybe you're looking for some specific codes, like maybe games. So see, there are games in Python or web, yeah. And maybe you're looking for a specific game, maybe Flappy Dunk or Flappy Bird. And then we're just gonna click on the first one. You can see it has 485 likes and 115 comments. And there's some comments like maybe, why is it so slow on mobile? And some hate comments or like comments, yeah. It says, so now you can study the code, and you can also remake the code. So I'm gonna press on output, and it's just gonna load the game. And when I tap on this, oh, oops, I lost again. Woo! Boom, boom, boom. No, so close. I need to get a point, or else I will not stop playing. Dun, dun. Okay, I give up. This is too hard. Okay, so there are a lot of codes of Flappy Bird and tons more, maybe 1,000. And there you go. And you can look at like maybe other codes you like, And also, I'm going to show you the next lesson. The next section. So the next section is the discuss section, where you can ask a question and you usually get a real human reply in maybe 10 minutes. It's a real human reply, no bot, no joke. It's in 10 minutes, and I really like this. It's real programmers checking these questions, and you can ask a question and someone will answer it. But maybe you have an error in your code and you don't know what to do and you don't know how to fix it, and you can go to this section and also ask a question, and within 10 minutes someone will answer it. So this section is also very good, and you can do some filters and someone's question, and also downvote, dislike. And then here you can see I'll add a question, but my account is not activated. So the next section is my profile. When I press on it, it shows kind of my profile, and I can change my location and also change my Gmail or my name. Yeah. Hi. The amazing programmer. I just changed that name because I like that. And you can also change your profile picture. You can see here. I'll just make it like this, and maybe, yeah. That's a coding profile picture. And you can see I'm currently on level 4 and I'm following 3 people. I don't know who they are. Oh yeah, I followed these 3 people. And you can see this is the SoloLearn account, and you can, yeah. And SoloLearn also make code. And I think SoloLearn is a bot. And you can see my code, and I'm just gonna try creating a code, maybe just a very simple code that every programmer can make it. Hello, not hello. So just an alert. Okay, and then I can save this code, and also I'll save it to today code IDK. So I'm just gonna make this code public, and I'm going to upvote my own code. Oh yeah, my account is not activated again. Grr. And then I can have the option to share it, and copy the link or anything else. And SoloLearn has some mods that make the community safe. And also, I'm just gonna press on the code section and search my code today, code IDK. I can just search up today's code, and maybe, oh, there's too many code about that, so I'm just gonna type back IDK, and this is my code. Here you go. And yeah, it really works. So you can see I have 6 notifications. I wonder what is it. And yeah. So SoloLearn challenge me, and it unlocks some badges. You usually do that when you start. And I'm just gonna disable this account, goodbye. And I'm just gonna log out of this account and log into my current account. So now I'm just going to log in. And then I got 12 notifications, and you can see someone liked my code and someone likes my code again. And this is a code that I made. You can see I made 20 hours ago, and you can maybe post a code, maybe coder, your name, I don't want, and then just your comment is hello, and then comment. And it really works. Oh, and then you can like your own comments, in this code, and someone just said this anonymous, and I'm just gonna flag it. Yeah, it's inappropriate, so I'm just gonna flag this too, and then I'm just gonna like, because it's a positive comment. And are you real? Yes, I'm real. Yeah. And then you can look at the code and look at comments, and you can maybe like comments and maybe reply to it, or maybe, yeah, and some more. And I'll add a comment, maybe hello guys, and then I'm going to like my own comment because I like my comment. And I'm gonna look at messages, so you can see, you can look at some groups, you can join groups, or you can direct message other people's. You can see maybe this, or yeah, some more. And also yeah, and I forgot that I'm going to show you some certificates. And you can see I have a certificate of the web design, and look at this. Isn't it nice? And it looks official. And you can see I'm level 11, and I have 254 followers and 19 following. I'm following 19 people. So yeah, these are all my codes, and you can see my code challenges that maybe I won, or I lost, or it's a draw, and more. So I'm just going to give my final opinion in this app. This app is really, really great. I will give 4.999999 stars to it. Because it's really good, but what's wrong with the 0.0001? It's nothing's perfect, right? It can be better, obviously. It can add more features, maybe the option to make a code hostable. It's actually good. And yeah, the option to maybe it can add, it can restrict some features for pro. Maybe it can restrict this one. If I press who visited my account, I need to get the pro one, and I hope we can activate this without the pro and some more. And also it's really, really great, and I spend a lot of time on this app, and I can make code where I don't need to download another code editor and those things which use up a lot of spaces. This app is purely great. Everything is just in one app, and you can learn different courses like jQuery, or maybe Python and JavaScript and more. And also you can look at codes. It's a great community, and people answers your questions really quickly. And yeah, this is really great. And thanks for watching, and please subscribe and like this video. I'll see you in another video. See you. Bye.